Hi everyone, how's the quarantine life going on? I just hope you're still very energetic and having fun at home. This is already the fourth week for me, and I'm getting a little bit crazy right now. So, today I'm trying to do something and have some fun. Uh, as you can see, here I have this Friends Lego set. This is actually a gift from my dear colleague and friend, Shang. And hi, Shang. And I know it has been a while. I'm really sorry that I didn't really get a time to put it up. And every time you ask me how's the progress, I just feel so bad and I think I cannot lie to you anymore. So today I'm going to put it up and I'm just trying to show you that I really, you know, put it up by myself and I'm really having fun. So I decided to videotape everything and maybe create a video and send it to you as a proof. Cool. So no more introduction, I guess. I'm just going to dive right into it and start my work here. Okay, now let's open the box. Wow. Let's see. I really don't know what they have in there. Okay, there's tape here. I need to open this first. Unsealed. Okay. Glad that I have some nails here. Let me see. Cool. Voila! This is a huge box. It really is a huge box. And so many pieces. Let's see what's in there. This is number 4, number 1, number 5. Wait, why there's another number 1? Oh, what the hell? Number 1. Number 6. Number 3 here, number 2. And okay, I have some stickers too. Cool. And here is the instruction. This is a huge book. I never done so many Lego. I must admit that I don't really play Lego that much, so this is crazy. I didn't realize that you will have such a big instruction book. Cool. Anyways, I'll just keep the stickers in the box. Cool. So, what do we have here? This is number 1, number 2, number 3, and 4, 5, 6. And the book. Let's see. Where should I start? Okay, this is the introduction of the Lego app. Ooh. Oh, it's so cool. They actually have this, like a quick introduction of the show. And the introduction of every character. Like, I need that. I watched the show so many times, it's like I basically can remember every line and everything. Oh, here it is. So this is how you do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 packages. Maybe that just means there's 6 steps to do that. Let me see if I can finish that in 6 days. Oh, this is so detailed. Oh my god, this is... What? I'm not sure if this is useful, like useful, or just actually even makes things more confused for me. So it should work like this: 6 steps, and I'm going to start a first package then. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, then you guys. I will just put you back in the box. Okay, so I'll just finish these two packages first. But the thing is that, why do I have 2 ones? So the crazy part is, because we have 2 ones, I don't really know which to start. Are they the same? Of course not, because this one's bigger. But I think we have, we have Gunther's hat in this package and his body in this. So I guess we need both. Cool. Let me have the handbook here. And maybe trying to... Put it. Okay. That's it. So I need to find like a really long black stuff which has 2 things on it. This one, I guess. And I also need a one like this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stuff. No, this is too long. Let's see. 6. Got it. 6. Cool. And then I need to have like yes, this yellowish stuff. Is this the same stuff? Wait, is this the same stuff? I guess so. I just go with it. I need this and the 2 piece. No, that's 3 piece. I don't know if this is a good idea, but I just going to do this. Have everything. On my table. Ooh. Is this backup or should I just mix this with everything? I'm so confused. Okay, I have Gunther's hat. I have Gunther's buddy. Whoa, oops. So, Okay. And this Spencer's hat is in this package, so I guess this should be open. Okay. Cool. Open it. And here we are. Oh, which way is the front? It has different expressions. Look how cool it is. A little tiny Gunther. Wait a second, I need a brush in his hand. Wait, can he really grab this? Okay. So it's this way down, actually. Ooh. Oh, this is amazing. Amazing. Now my Gunther grab his broom, and I need his leg. Leg is black. This one. Yay! Meet Gunther. Okay. You. Why? Wait, why can't you stand? Okay. Cool. You standing there, and I'll go back to this. So I need this one, this large one with grayish one, and do this, I guess. Cool. And then I need 3 pieces of this. That doesn't look right. That does not look right. That really does not look right. What? It's not that long. Okay, I'm so confused. I wanna cry. I'm not joking, I really wanna cry. It's like, it says I need to do this, but if I do this, I cannot have them connected with each other. Isn't it? Huh? Oops. Aha. Oops. This is already quite something, isn't it? This is very confusing, I must say. This is really confusing. Okay, I guess it is. This is the first part. Ta-da! And yeah, put the gun here. Cool, I think I'm just gonna take a rest and start the part 2.